We're here. It's $10. Let's do it.
Going again.
Yeah, keep your eyes open this time.
My eyes were open. It's gonna be just as scary.
I get so scared. It's supposed to be a you didn't have a choice, did you? Do you want to go get what you got? Yes. We're supposed to discuss this. Okay, keep your eyes open this time.
My eyes were open, you asshole.
Oh my God!
I hate you.
Oh my God! That's awesome! Look at the sun!
I know it's
Oh, look, where's our hotel? Where's our hotel?
there it is, Crown Plaza.
Yeah, there it is. Oh,
I hate you.
oh, that was worth every penny. That was worth every penny. That was the best ride. That's the best ride I've ever been on, I think.
for
Yeah,
sure.
right there.
That was fantastic.
My heart is like, what is my pulse?
I don't think I have a pulse. I think I'm dead. I think I'm dead.
That was awesome. That was amazing.
Oh my God. We're not going again.
No, that was good. That's because that chocolate milk situation.
Wasn't that time, guys?
That is awesome.